Hi, in this video I want to quickly show you how to display all of the tools inside GIMP rather than having them grouped like this. Currently I can view what's in a certain group by hovering over it, and then I can select something by right-clicking and then choosing it here. But it's much nicer in my opinion to have them all displayed at the same time. So to do that, we'll go to Edit, go down to Preferences, go down to the Interface section and click on Toolbox, and then uncheck the option called Use Tool Groups. Click OK, and now you can see all of the tools at all times. And that's it. Thanks for watching.